This is where I bring in Darryl Goldberg. He was one of Drew Peterson's attorneys several years ago, all the way up to the trial for the murder of Peterson's third wife, Kathleen Savio, the trial that Peterson now wants retried. Mr. Goldberg, thank you for being on. What do you make of this whole competency dust-up?
Sure, happy to be here. You know, I really don't know where they're headed with this. I'm not sure what the goal is. I thought about it this afternoon when I was asked to appear, and I can think of two reasons, really. So in a post-conviction context, if you are deemed unfit and there's claims that would rely upon the unfit defendant's position, then defaulted claims can be brought once again. So that's one thought. Another thought could be, you know, maybe he's angling for some sort of compassionate release. If he's not, if he's suffering from dementia or, you know, something that would affect his fitness, or he has an illness, then, you know, perhaps that's where they're going with this. I don't understand exactly, because I haven't seen the pleadings. I kind of lost track of this case at some point. It's been going on for quite some time. I haven't had any involvement since after the trial about 10 to 12 years ago.
Well, if he wants some kind of compassionate release, he's not doing himself any favors by answering my questions. I'm fine. And then the two key questions. I'm going to get less silly for a moment. There are two critical questions you have to answer, and only two for competency. Do you understand the charges against you? Are you able to assist in your defense? I asked him very specifically those two questions, to which he answered, I'm fine, yes and yes. So if he wants to move out of this prison to somewhere else, he's not helping his lawyers do that. But the other question I have for you, Darryl Goldberg, is do you think it's possible his lawyers are trying to protect him from himself? Meaning, he has such hubris. He is so pushy. He would want to get on the stand. He told me so. He wants to get up there and say his piece. And that he's such a liar, he may just end up getting himself charged with his fourth wife's murder. Do you think the lawyers are trying to protect him from himself in keeping him off the stand by keeping him from actually getting a retrial by suggesting he's incompetent?
Again, pure speculation, but I don't think so. I mean, for practical purposes, a post-conviction petition could go on even if a defendant's deemed unfit, except, as I understand, what is the crux of this petition is that he was prevented from testifying in his own defense. So if that's the case, then yeah, it would kind of grind things to a halt, and it would put the brakes on it, and they presumably would not be dealing with Mr. Peterson for some time.
Yeah, these pictures from Monday, he looks better than he did during our interview. He stumbled into our interview. He looked very frail. He was dizzy. He tells me that he falls all the time, and that's why he uses the cane. But he looks like he's, you know, what's in a picture? He looks like he's doing okay. We'll follow this one. Keep up on the case, Darryl Goldberg, and let's find out where this goes. Thanks for being on tonight. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.